Hi there, this is a review for the Bosch STB202X12 remote control. I use this control in my home every day and it's a really good remote control. I really like all the buttons. Yeah. This button is a good button. This button I like. This is a great button. I like this button. This button is very nice. I like this button. This is a nice button. I like this button. This button is good. I like this button. This is a nice button. This is a really good button. I like these buttons. This all is nice. Button, yes, nice. Button, ooh, nah, nice. This is a button, yes. It's all the buttons. They're all really nice buttons. STB202X12. It's a really great remote control. It's really good.